All right, there's another round of the 10-minute warm-up, and this is going to be a bit more core-focused and definitely working into the back line of the body, so just keep that in mind. To start, bring yourself into an upright seat. And so I'm at the center of my mat right here. I'm going to have my legs forward and just sit up tall. And just keep your legs together. Try to press your low back forward so you can tilt your pelvis forward and stay upright. And if your hamstrings are tight, go ahead, bend the knees, and that's fine. Just make sure you can actually tilt your pelvis forward. Keep yourself upright without a whole lot of extra effort, but keep your core engaged. Pulling through the belly around the lower ribs, stay tall, and bring the hands behind your head. Now, keep your shoulders pulled back, keep your chest open. And again, the knees can be bent, the legs can be straight, whatever suits you best. And you're going to feel this just above your pelvis toward the low back. So I want you to lean your weight to the right, slide your left heel forward, and then lean left, slide the right heel forward. And basically what you're doing is you're just walking on your butt. So come forward as much as you can. Keep on walking this. I'm going to take this pretty much to the front of my mat. Then once you've gone far forward enough, just back this up. Now again, bend the knees if you need to. Keep yourself upright, so keep your core braced. And you should feel a little bit of twisting through the lower part of your spine. And just keep on shifting your weight side to side. Keep moving back and forth from here. And as goofy as this is really good for pulling tension out of your low back, especially if you wake up stiff in the morning. So again, keep your shoulders pulled back, keep your chest open. Walk this back. And then once you've gone backwards as far as you like, go ahead, switch direction again. Walk forward. And again, stay upright, shoulders back, chest still open. And then just bring it back more or less to where you started. Once you're ready from here, just bring your hands down to the floor. And then go ahead, bend your knees, set your feet wide, a little wider than your hips. And then reach forward between your knees, round your spine as much as you can. Keep reaching forward, and then take it slow. Come all the way down onto your back. And then when you're down, I want to set this up for bridge. So just bring the arms down to your sides, walk the feet in close. Keep the feet, knees, hips with distance, but heels close enough that you can flatten your low back as much as possible while you're down. Now press your palms into the floor, keep your gaze up high, and just take it up and down. Dig into your heels, squeeze your glutes, push your hips up, and then roll your spine down. Press your hips up high, and then roll back down again. Lift your hips. Roll this back down. Press your hips up high. And then lower. Lift your hips up again. Squeeze your glutes. Roll back down. Press your hips up high. And then lower. Lift your hips up again. Roll back down. Press your hips up high and stay lifted this time. Now as you hold the lift, dig into your heels. Lift your toes up as high as you can. Keep your glutes engaged. And with your hips still lifting, bring the weight to your toes. Lift your heels. And then switch it out. Bring your heels back down. Lift your toes up again. Switch it out. Toes down. Lift your heels. Squeeze your glutes. And then one more time. Heels up high. Now dig the heels into the floor. Try to pull them in toward your shoulders. Keep that tension in your glutes. Take an inhale. With the exhale, roll back down. Now go ahead, bring your knees to your chest. Bring your hands to your knees. Squeeze in tight. And as you're squeezing, lift your head and shoulders. Bring your nose close to your knees. Now go ahead, cross at the ankles, roll forward to a seat. And then once you're up, we are going to take this onto the forearm. So just keep your feet about hips width and bring your elbows down to the floor. So when you're coming down, try to bring the forearms toward parallel. Now you can do this with your hands flat. I usually find it easier to hold on to this with my hands curled into fists. Just keep your hands pushing down. Keep your elbows grounded. And then feel out where you want to put your feet. Just keep them hips width distance. You can bring them in close. You can keep them further out. But push down. Just lift your seat up off the floor. Stay lifted here. Now with your butt lifted up in the air, press your chest up toward the ceiling. Keep your hands pushing down. And just hold that engagement. And then 1 foot at a time. Extend your right leg forward. Bring the heel to the floor. Step back in. Left leg forward, heel down. And step back in. Right leg forward again, heel to the floor. Step back in. Left leg forward, heel down. And step in. Keep your chest lifted. Extend the right leg forward one more time. Now keep your chest pushing up, hands pushing down. And then keep your right leg as straight as you can. Lift the foot up toward vertical. And then bring the heel down. Bring the leg up for 2. And then heel to the floor. Lift up again for 3. Bring the heel down. Lift up for 4. You can bend the knee. And bring the heel down. Lift up for 5, and then bring the heel to the floor, and then step back in. Now keep your butt lifted, take it on the other side, left leg forward, heel to the floor. And go back and forth. Bring the foot up high. And then bring the heel down. Lift up for 2. And bring the heel to the floor. Lift up for 3. And bring the foot down. Lift up for 4. And then bring the heel down. Now bring it up one more time. And then set the heel. Step that left foot back in. Lower yourself down. And then go ahead, bring yourself up onto your hands. Roll your shoulders out for just a moment. And then once you're ready, cross at the ankles, come forward to all 4s. Now just keep your hips stacked over your knees, but bring the hands in close, within 2 hands lengths of your knees. And then go ahead and flip your hands over. So backs of the hands down, palms up, point the fingertips in toward you. Now you can always bring the hands closer in and take more weight to the legs if you want to back off. But spread your fingers wide. Keep the fingertips pressing down. Straighten your arms as much as you can. And just go ahead and sway your shoulders side to side for a moment. Keep your hands tensed as you're moving. And to go just a little bit further, bring yourself into center, keep your arms straight, and just move through your spine. With an inhale, drop your belly, pull your chest forward, look up. Exhale, round your spine and empty out. Again, inhale, drop your belly, look up. Exhale, round and empty. Inhale, bring your chest forward, look up. And exhale, round back out. One more time, inhale, drop your belly, chest forward. Exhale, round and let it go. And then come up onto the fingertips. And then down to sitting on your heels. And just take a moment to shake your hands out. All right, once the hands are ready, go ahead and bring yourself back into all 4s. And we're going to take this into a forearm plank. So bring both forearms down to the floor. Now once your forearms are down, go ahead and step your feet back, bring your body into line, feet about hips width distance apart. Keep your hands pushing down, keep your spine lifted, just hold. And then we're going to take this into a variation of side plank. Now I want you to roll your heels over to the right, come up onto your left hand and keep your hips high, maybe just stay here. And this could be enough. Now if you can go further, reach your left arm up, keep the hips high. If you can go further still, lift your left leg, bend the knee, bring it up as high as you can. Woo! And hold your balance. Now back and forth with the left leg if you can move. Now in front, bring the big toe down to the floor. Lift the knee, and then bring the big toe down behind. Lift the knee, big toe down in front. Lift the knee, big toe down behind. Lift the knee, big toe down in front. Lift the knee and then big toe down behind. Now lift up one more time. Come back to the forearm plank. And then from center, take it to the other side. Roll your heels left this time. Come up onto the right hand. Keep your hips high. Maybe stay here. To go further, reach your right arm toward the ceiling. Now if you can take it further, keep the toes of your left foot pressing toward the floor. And then see about lifting your right leg. Bend the knee and bring it up as high as you can. Now down in front, bring the big toe to the floor. Lift the knee, big toe down behind. Lift the knee, big toe down in front. Lift the knee, big toe down behind. Lift the knee, big toe down in front. Lift the knee, big toe down behind. Lift the knee, and then come back to center, back to that forearm plank. Push your hands down, lift your spine for just a moment. Keep holding here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set your knees down. Come up to all 4s. Move around, breathe here. All right, one more thing to warm things up before we move on. Now I want you to set this up. Wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, tuck the toes of both feet. This is going to be breath to movement. We're going to take the first round slow. So to start this out, inhale the right leg straight back. Reach to the big toe. Feel that in the glutes. Now pull in knee to chest, nose to knee, round your spine. Now, from here, straighten both legs. Right leg high, three-legged dog. Use your glutes. And then come back down to all 4s. On the other side, left leg straight back, reach to the big toe. Now pull in knee to nose, round your spine. Straighten both legs, bring it up, three-legged dog. And then down to all 4s. Breath to movement. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all 4s. Inhale your left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all 4s. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all 4s. Inhale the left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all 4s. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all 4s. Inhale the left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale the left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. 3 more rounds. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale your left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale your right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale the left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Last round. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. Inhale your left leg back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, all fours. And then just breathe here. All right. And that is a 10-minute warm-up with this round. Thank you very much.